Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. Number 1175. Ooh, great word. Cheesy. 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 Now, obviously, cheese, Cheese, the noun, is a food that we eat, right? You know, cheese. Do you like cheese? Americans love cheese. I think Europeans do too. What about you? Do you like cheese? Everybody's different. Mikey, my son Mike, he likes cheese. Jim, my son Jim, doesn't. Not as much as Mike. But we're not talking about cheese, the noun. We're talking about cheesy, Cheesy, an adjective. Oh, my goodness. And this adjective has a very different meaning from the noun cheese. So the first thing we're going to do is listen to the dialogue. What are you going to watch? Pretty Woman.
Again? It's so cheesy.
Do you have any suggestions?
Titanic.
Ah, pure cheese. Cheesy, pure cheese. They're talking about watching movies. Pretty Woman was one movie. Titanic was another movie. Do you know the movie Titanic? Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet. Yeah. Remember the song by Celine Dion? Near, far, wherever you are. Remember them standing at the front of the ship? Leonardo DiCaprio holding the woman as she stretches her arms out, feeling free, sailing over the ocean. Now, a lot of people watch that movie and they think it's so romantic, so romantic. But me, I'm a guy. When I see the movie, it's not so romantic. It's too romantic. And too romantic is cheesy. That's like me. Imagine me, and this is not true, but imagine me, my chest, Chest. This is not true, but imagine I had a hairy chest, a lot of hair on my chest. And I would, when I wear a short shirt, I would kind of unbutton the shirt a little bit, and I would have a gold chain, right, to look sexy with my hairy chest. That's cheesy. Country songs. Do you know country songs? American country music? Country songs are cheesy. Well, I saw her in the back of the church, and my head saw her, and it did lurch. She was so pretty, and I was looking dumb. Whatever. I just made some stupid song. Anyway, country songs are cheesy. Ooh, what about this? When you meet a girl for the first time, and you say something like, Hi. Oh, my God. What's wrong? Now I know why there are no stars in the sky tonight. Oh, why? Because God put them in your eyes. It's so cheesy. Are you cheesy? Do you like cheesy movies? Some people do. It's okay. It's all right. So the dialogue, what are you going to watch? Which movie? Pretty Woman. That's the name of a movie from a long time ago. Again, it's so cheesy. Oh my God, you're watching Pretty Woman again? It's so cheesy. They tried to be too romantic. They tried to be so cool. They tried too hard. It's too much. Well, do you have any suggestions? Then what should we watch? Titanic. Oh my God, Titanic? It's pure cheese. It's complete cheese. You think Pretty Woman is cheesy? Titanic is 100% cheese. Now, many of you will disagree. Many of you will think Titanic was an absolute romantic movie. And for you, you are correct. But some of you will agree, Titanic is pure cheese. And for you, you are correct. Remember, when we describe things, everybody sees something different. Everybody sees something different. That's true. Oh, what a great word, though. Cheesy, especially when somebody is trying too hard to be romantic. That guy is being cheesy. Coach Shane is so cheesy. I don't speak Chinese, but I know a couple of Chinese expressions. So when I talk to somebody from China, I always say, "Ni hao."